Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. Kamusta naman kayong lahat? I really hope you're all doing well today and of course, sana din safe and happy kayo. I am super excited for today's video because kitang-kita nyo naman sa title, it's going to be about Detail Cosmetics' newest product. Ayan guys, ito yung susubukan natin today. This is a lip product and yung tawag sa kanya is the Satin Luxe Lips. You guys have no idea kung gano'ng ka-excited ako when I saw this sa kanilang Instagram page kasi sobrang big fan talaga ako ng mga ganitong klaseng products. I mean, yung mga lip products na ginagawang plump, juicy, and healthy yung lips, I'm always down. Kaya ayun nga, when I saw this sa kanilang Instagram page and nung pinost nila yung mga photo and swatches, sobrang na-excite talaga ako guys, I swear. I literally cannot wait to try them. Again, this one is called the Detail Cosmetics Satin Luxe Lips and yung price nito is 199 pesos each. 5 yung shades na meron sila dito guys and they have 2 series, isang Buttercream series and isang Jam series. And yung difference nila basically is sa Buttercream series, dialed down nude shades yung meron and it adjusts to your natural lip color. Tapos sa Jam series naman guys, it features dark and rich shades na nagtatransform into a beautiful flush and it looks different depende sa skin tone. Each bullets na meron dito guys contains 1.3 grams and yung shelf life niya or PAO is 36 months. Of course, it is also paraben-free, cruelty-free, and made in China. Packaging looks like this, and as you can see, sobrang perfect nung kanyang name kasi diba, sobrang luxe nung itsura ng box. This is how the actual component or bullet looks like, and as you can see, same sa kanyang box. It looks amazing. Honestly, hindi ko ma-describe yung color, but sa eyes ko, parang may pagka-muted pink siya na medyo mauve. Basta maganda siya, gano'n. And ayan guys, this is how it looks like once you remove the cap. And as you can see, sobrang nice din nung inside. But I'm not gonna lie, nung first kong kita dito, sabi ko parang nakita ko na siya parang familiar. And guess what? Same sila ng packaging ng favorite kong lipstick from SheGlam. Colors lang yung difference nila guys in terms of packaging, but yung size, shape, and even yung feel kapag kahawak, very similar. Although understandable naman kasi usually yung mga ganito guys, yung mga ready-made packaging, mas mura siya compared sa custom-made. What's important is that hindi naman kopyang-kopya. They did their own twist. Kaya ayun, hindi na siya ganun ka-big deal. In terms of scent, actually, it smells really good. Very nostalgic kasi may butterball siya. Parang ang sarap niya kainin, ganun. Kumbaga sa perfume, gourmand. First shade na susubukan ko is Rose Latte. And according sa description, this one is a nude with a hint of rose. Sobrang bango guys, hindi ako makaget over. Again, this one is called Rose Latte and oh my god, it is so nice! Sobrang perfect niya for everyday. Grabe guys, look at that. Ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na you need to get your hands on this kasi napakaganda. Ang perfect ng shade guys, pasok na MLBB. For everyday, this one is amazing guys. Grabe, napakaganda ng shade, no joke. Definitely a love at first swipe. I'm obsessed guys. I honestly... I want to buy more. If you think sa video and sa camera maganda na siya, wait until you see it in person kasi napakaganda. And even though satin yung finish nitong lipstick, since yung color niya is close sa natural lip color, it's not patchy. Sobrang even niya, ang nice, hindi streaky. Diba? Ganda nito, grabe. Next shade is called Gingerbread and this one naman is a nude with a hint of peach. This is how the shade Gingerbread looks like on my lips and to be honest, it's just an okay shade sa akin. It's not something I see myself using most of the time simply because I'm not the biggest fan of this kind of color talaga ever since. But I'm very sure maraming tao pa din yung bibili nito and magsusuot kasi diba, maraming tao yung mahilig sa ganitong shade. And also, na-notice ko nga pala guys na medyo nagpipicture pa yung color ng lips ko dito guys. Probably because bright yung kulay niya. Dito lang naman sa upper lip guys, but sa lower lip okay naman siya. This is how it looks like once layered and as you can see, mas okay na siya guys. Especially sa upper lip, hindi na ganong masyadong nagpipicture yung kulay ng lips ko and mas even ng tignan. Definitely a lot better kapag ni-layer nyo siya, mas nice yung itsura, mas even. But ayun nga, unfortunately, hindi ako big fan ng shade. But of course, by all means, if you want to buy this, go ahead kasi pera nyo yan, di ba? It's all about personal preference anyway. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na hindi na pala maganda yung sa nose area ko guys na foundation. Medyo nagkikake siya. I don't know why. Huwag nyo na napansinin. Third shade is called Biscuit and this one is a nude with a hint of taupe. This one is nice as well, grabe. Kung feeling nyo si Rose Latte is too pink or light for your preference or liking, then go with this one, guys. Kasi even though it's a little bit deeper, sobrang perfect pa din for everyday and very wearable siya. This one is really impressive as well. Sobrang love ko yung color kasi same with the first one, since medyo close sa lip color or natural lip color, it looks even. I don't have anything bad to say, to be honest. 2 layers, 3 layers. It looks really good. Sobrang nice ng opacity and again, hindi siya patchy, hindi streaky. Sobrang pantay ng kulay, guys. Ang ganda. Anyway, this time, so... Oh my God! Nakalimutan ko lagay yung mic. I'm so sorry. Anyway, moving on. This time, dito naman tayo sa kanilang Jam series. This one I'm holding is called Brown Sugar and it is a universal daily brown shade. I like this one as well. To be honest, not the biggest fan of browns as well. And at first, medyo natakot ako dito kasi sabi ko baka sobrang brown niya. But look at that, it looks really nice. Sobrang pleasing nung pagka-brown niya kasi hindi siya yung klase ng brown na parang muddy. Actually, parang may hint of ano nga siya red. True to its claim, universally flattering. Bagay na bagay ito sa kahit anong skin tone. I-layer natin. Ito naman si Brown Sugar once you layer it and grabe guys, napakaganda ng shade. For those of you na ang hanap sa lipstick is yung medyo dark but sobrang wearable pa din and perfect for everyday. Yung very suitable sa kahit anong occasion or kahit anong event. This one is really good. Great option siya. Opacity-wise, this one is really nice. Kapag ka ni-layer, hindi siya nagpa-patch. Hindi siya yung klase ng lipstick na kapag kasi swipe mo, sumasama yung nasa ilalim and hindi na pantay. Okay siya sa akin guys, maganda to. This is the final shade that we are going to try and yung tawag sa kanya is Blackberry Jam. And according sa kanilang Shopee description, this color is a universal daily plum. And this one actually based sa color niya dito sa bullet reminds me of the lipstick na trending sa TikTok which is yung Clinique Black Honey. And I'm crossing my fingers na sana this is a dupe or close yung color niya kasi guys, ang hirap hanapin nun. Palaging sold out. I have some photo reference naman kaya subukan natin and hopefully pareho talaga sila or close. This is how the shade Blackberry Jam looks like sa aking lips and ngayon pa lang guys, sinasabi ko na hindi siya dupe. Siguro when you look at it dito sa bullet, medyo close sila kasi diba dark yung color. But once you apply it sa lips, as you can see, mas purple siya, mas plum. And as you can see, compared sa Black Honey ng Clinique, malayo talaga yung kulay. Kasi yung sa Clinique, guys, mas burgundy or may pagka-cranberry yung shade nung sa Clinique. Ayun. Siguro maglalagay na lang din ako ng photo para makita niyo yung difference. Kasi ang layo talaga, guys. Sayang kasi I was hoping na close sila sa isa't isa, but unfortunately, malayo. Actually, the color is growing on me. Parang habang tumatagal, mas nagugustuhan ko siya, mas na-appreciate ko. Ito naman siya kapag full layer na and mas prefer ko siya ng ganito guys. Although I'm not gonna lie, it's still a little bit patchy and understandable naman nga since kapag talaga satin yung finish and dark, ito yung tendency niya guys, especially if patchy yung lips niyo or kaya may chaps. If you're the type of person na mahilig sa mga vampy, medyo dark, plum shades, purple, you might want to check this one out. Baka magustuhan nyo siya. Actually, you know what? Kapag ka-close up, hindi naman siya ganun ka-patchy. Probably yung lights lang, nagre-reflect, kaya parang uneven siya, especially sa camera. But sa personal, okay naman. It looks better sa personal, so don't get deceived sa, you know, video. But ayun nga, sayang lang hindi siya kakulay ng Black Honey ng Clinique. But I'm hoping na sana maglabas sila ng dupe. Kasi eto na yun, diba? Eto na yung moment nila to do that. Feeling ko talaga kakabog kapag meron silang ginawang dupe ng Black Honey. Miss Rosette, baka naman. That is the complete swatches nitong bagong Detail Cosmetics Satin Luxe Lips. And overall for me, I really enjoyed using and testing this product. Formula is really nice kasi it's very hydrating, very moisturizing, and comfortable on the lips. If you have dry lips kagaya ko, I'm very sure na ma-appreciate nyo to guys. Most especially if meron kayo mga dry patches sa lips kasi nakakatulong siya to soften it. Kahit i-layer nyo siya, it doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel clumpy. Para ka lang nakatinted na lip balm. This is one of those lipsticks or type of lipsticks na masarap i-layer ng paulit-ulit kasi kahit patungan nyo siya ng patungan, hindi siya nagbubuo-buo kaya magandang tingnan sa lips. Pigmentation-wise, para sa akin, okay din siya. And again, this one is a satin lipstick, hindi siya matte, hindi velvet, kaya don't expect na isang swipe lang sobrang opaque na. Especially sa mga shade na hindi malapit sa lips. Kaya ayun guys, keep that in mind. And eto yung dalawang shade na yun guys. First one is si Blackberry Jam. Ayan, ito yung swatch niya. And also si gingerbread, which is yung peach. Ayan. Dito sa arm, of course, it looks even kasi pantay yung color ng skin. Although, feeling ko naman, if you have pinkish lips, etong shade na gingerbread, okay siya, guys. Even yung itsura. But if you have nga dark lips, don't expect na even siya. And of course, same goes with blackberry jam. In terms of favorite and recommendation, feeling ko alam niyo na kung ano yung i-recommend ko. And that is itong si Rose Latte. For those of you na ang bibilhin lang ay isa or dalawa, please do not forget to add this sa inyong cart. This is worth buying. Swear, super ganda. Definitely one of my top 3 sa aking mga MLBB shades. Sobrang perfect. Ang ganda ng pagka-rosy niya. This is the perfect everyday lipstick, I'm not gonna lie. Kasi diba, it's very hydrating, super comfortable on the lips. Sobrang perfect din if you have dry lips kasi meron siyang vitamins and shea butter. And also yung color selection, diba, sobrang nice. Again, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, big fan talaga ako ng satin lipstick. Kasi yung mga matte lipstick, parang 2019 ko pang kinalimutan. Downside nga lang is that hindi siya long-lasting and nagta-transfer. But again, I don't mind since nga kapag ka naman nire-apply siya, it looks really good pa din. Definitely a great value for money for its price na $199 kasi parang 2-in-1 na siya. It hydrates and moisturizes your lips like a lip balm, tapos it adds a color as well like a lipstick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.